People, now welcome back to my channel today. Saskay don't come out, come shed tears of joy as her husband or boyfriend don't come out to come give her a surprise birthday. And Angel don't come out, come sub an unknown person for internet space, and people don't come out, come give her better woto woto. And lastly, Kiddwaya, the boy in the candy shop, he don't come out to come give poor people unsolicited advice. So Kiddwaya, as we all know, he come from a very wealthy family and a very privileged boy. Even when he dey for inside the Big Brother All-Star season, he even talk as saying na the boy with in the candy shop you dey get. So the boy, he not really come this life to come suffer. Papa don already pave way for am. So a lot of people, they were not lucky like that. Their parents not pave way for them. They had to struggle on their own to be successful. Some people, even as they struggle on their own self, they never fit still even make until today. So Kiddwaya come out, come say make e throw a 2 cents for people wey be say they struggle. He come say no let your pikin blame you. They try to talk be say make you hustle so that your pikin no go dey blame you, say I didn't be my papa get sense, I didn't be my papa sabi work, I didn't be my papa work the way Dangote dey work, the way Adeleke dey work, the way Otodela dey work. I'm not supposed to dey suffer like that. I'm not supposed to carry my file, the waka, they find job, they ask me 120 questions, all those type of things. Now wetin they try to explain with that. But wetin Kiddwaya no know be say even if he no maintain him papa wealth, him own children go blame am pass sef, because that blame, him own blame na go even worse. But since Kiddwaya come out of the house, I don't know wetin they do. I dey always like use the video as example. That boy na person wey be say come from a very wealthy family, yet he hustle like say he come from nothing. In as much as Kiddwaya advice dey valid, the advice too he need to apply am to himself. Even though say papa don work hard for am, he too need to work hard, because if he not maintain the money, he go fall back to square zero. Go somewhere yesterday, the way I take dey hustle for the money, they just dey ask me to say why you dey hustle for this thing. They do as if you no get source of income where you dey get money from, that you get a place where we say they get where you dey get money from, all those type of thing. I say, can you imagine? So because I get place where we say they earn me money now, I not supposed get more than 2 hustle, or I not supposed get more than 5 hustle for this country. Things don't hard. And person need to put hand for anywhere where we say they legit, where we say go fit give you cool cash. So I go put hand for anywhere. One are not thinking. This society they always do, and once you be woman, you're not supposed to dey hustle like that. Now only man supposed to dey hustle. Now you sabi, I dey hustle because I enjoy am. I enjoy my hustle. Now Angel matter, Angel come out to come. We don't know whether na shade she dey throw. A lot of people don't dey speculate for the reason why she type what she type. So she come because she avoid people that know how to flip a script, so it's beneficial to their image. They will leave you in the desert without water as long as they look like angels publicly. BBN fans, as usual, they can't twist the thing. They say the reason why we say Angel they talk like that because she and Suma don't get issues again. As we all know, after Suma birthday, the two of them come unfollow each other again for the second time. People they claim say now because of reunion don't they come. Big Brother Naija Series reunion don't they come. I would hear news saying na June, which is next month. Now the thing go happen. We're not really dey sure, but now wetin we don dey see online, a lot of people dey talk and say na June it go happen. Me for one, I'm not saying anything wey actually dey wrong with this post. So she post, if it be say she just dey talk her own mind, and sometimes most people they air their own mind for their status, for everything, their IG story or WhatsApp status. But if it still be say she dey actually talk about person. So when we see some comment, the first person says the fact that the boy will never say shishi whenever they have issues, but is always here. You just have to follow her on social media and you will know everything. Another one say, I love this dress more than what she wore for AMVC. Honestly, this are dress for yourself. Fine pass the AMVC. That AMVC will be like they childish. The next person can say, rest, mental parent. That they exchange saliva for social media. What were you thinking? Someone that abandoned a serious relationship for you, you think it will last? Una two correct. Una two correct two insane humans. I not think say mental health na something where be say persons you suppose use as a jab to your fellow human being. Health they say they very real. Una don the fans, most especially they don dey insult Angel, saying the way they take insult Angel that period, the girl can't change because of the way she dey naked for online that time. She can't change. If una check Angel for 2021 and check Angel for Big Brother Naija All Stars, you go see say huge difference. The girl don't change well. She don't learn to cover her body most of the time than when she come that first time. Mona cut her some slack. Onto Saskay matter. Now remember say Saskay, she come a few months ago to come give us a huge announcement about her relationship with Chef Daring. e not tey we come dey see news say chef Derin e enter some girls DM for Twitter where go toast them, knowing fully well say e dey date Saskay. So netizens dey hope say that situation wey happen that time suppose break the two of them apart, but for where Saskay not lis ten to public opinion, she continue to dey date the boy like that. She come do her 24th birthday few hours ago. Happy birthday to Saskay in arrears. Fans don come out to come give their 2 cents for inside the matter. Some people dey call her out, say since they know Saskay since 2021 when she come from Big Brother Naija Series, she have been 23 till now. This year she come dey talk say she be 24. The first person here say 24 every year, another one say na so I go cry if I ever get this kind surprise. Not everybody their boyfriend dey actually take her the time to do a birthday surprise party for them. And some dey express their love through money, giving them cash. Some dey carry them go different places, but some nothing, odi. So na good something for her. That one say some goggle that she's 1999, so she's 25, not 24. Normally Big Brother Naija female, their age no dey pass, e no fit pass 24 na. That one na most of them. If you wan come talk of 30, that one worse. Dem no dey gree. The only people wey be say don ever come out since the history of Big Brother Naija, wey be say don give us their complete age, na Venita, T-Boss, Bisola and Maria Chike, and also Urie. The rest they go just come out. Nengi say she be 23 that time. Wetin be im name? Saskay say she be 20. Nobody dey pass 30 for there o. Na only dis people wey be say I call for una so now I no talk say they come out come tell people their age, say see na so I be. Me I dey happy say Saskay no allow public opinion sway of her feelings for her man. Get who no dey make mistake. No be say I dey support the way the man, if e be say na true say he actually go girls DM. But sometimes you go need to do your own investigation to make sure say you no just follow the crowd or wetin people talk just to spoil things for yourself. Una take care, una bye.